Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for today's video. If you're new, I'm Laura, Wyatt, Zena. We're so happy you're here. We do subscription box unboxing, shopping hauls, outfit of the day, and so much more. And I'm sharing with you today on Thanksgiving my bark boxes. We have October and November's to share with you. The sidekicks are super happy, and we thought we'd just bring you a fun video for Thanksgiving as a huge thank you for all of your amazing support this year. I love my subscribers. You all just lift me up each and every day. I know I have said this before, but you do. Your comments always raise me up each and every day. So thank you to each and every one of you for all of your amazing comments, for all of the support, the many likes, all of the feedbacks, the messages that you sent me privately, the cards, the gifts, everything you've done to support me throughout this year. I so very much appreciate it. So we hope that today's video will bring you a smile and a huge thank you for everything this year. So as you can see, Bark Box is the favorite box of the sidekicks. It is a subscription box for dogs, and it's based on the size of your dog. So for Wyatt's size, it is $21 a month, I believe. And for that, you get 2 toys, 2 bags of treats, plus an extra treat. And it comes every month, and it always has an amazing theme. Wyatt likes to get into the box in the hardest way possible. And he's making a terrible mess. Zena, shh, we'll get it, buddy. So we will try to make this easy on him so he can get inside. Hold. Wyatt? All right, how about this, buddy? All right, so I think that I opened October's first, which is fabulous. Wyatt is all about the toys usually. Zena is all about the treats. Okay, so it looks like October's obviously had a Halloween theme we didn't get to in time. It's called Mischief Mutts. And it says, what's your pup's favorite part of all Howie's Eve? It's clearly not the constant doorbells, the itchy costumes, or the horror of seeing their favorite humans give away treats to tiny strangers. Nope, the best part is the witching hour when our precious pups turn into mischief mutts. So let's squeak out of the house and scare up some trouble, because it's a good night for a bad dog. So these are all, Zena, I'm getting to it, baby girl. I'm getting to it. These are all the fun little toys that you could have gotten in here. I will get to it. Shh. These are all the fun little toys you could have gotten. Wyatt's going to empty everything out, aren't you, buddy? There's a smashing pumpkin, a ding-dong dump, a practical yolks, squeak farts. That's hilarious. And instead of a squeak tart, a squeak fart. Is that not hilarious? There's the toilet puppers. You're going to take this too, buddy? Misbehaving cream, so instead of shaving cream. And then the scaredy cat. These are adorable. I love their themes. Look at the back. It says I didn't do it. Adorable. All right, Wyatt's making a mess. We'll go to a treat first just to get Zena, make Zena happy. She's been working this morning. So we have Bob biscuits, ham and rice. Yes, I know. I know. I hear you. She won't stop barking until she gets a treat. Like, this works on my husband every time. So he will feed her pie hole, as we say, every time she does that. No fail. So she knows that it is a working tool for her. She does it all the time. So these are almost always made in the U.S. or Canada. Well, they're always made in U.S. or Canada. And they have wholesome grains. They are PIM approved. And grass-fed, it says this is grass-fed lamb, soft-baked biscuit with real cheddar cheese. Sounds yummy, doesn't it, Wyatt? Okay, so that was one. You missed one, buddy. Oh, did we get an extra bag? We did. So instead of just an extra item, they sent an extra bag of treats. So he has gobbled jerky sticks, which is a turkey recipe. I love that. It's turkey time. It's a chewy treat, so it's a long, thin stick and real sweet potatoes. And then we also got coconut quackula for Dracula, which is a duck recipe dog treat. All right, love that. So let's see what treats you got, buddy. So you got the Smashing Pumpkin, which has, does that have a squeaker? I don't like it. It does have a squeaker. Okay. So it has a squeaker and a crazy crackle. It's called Behind the Squeaks. Some call it destruction of property. We call it repurposing old art. We don't give a squeak. Your pup can paint the town orange, and we call it, we won't say boo. All right. There you go. Now it's squeaking. Huh, buddy? All right. There you go. And then you already took the tag off of this one. This is the Practical Yokes. Did you see this one, Z? What is this? It's a multi-part toy, 3 squeakers, crazy crinkle. If these eggs became rotten, they're on the house. With 3 squeaky eggs and a crinkle case, your pup will have plenty of ammo to get back at the obedient school principal. That is so cool. Rotten eggs. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, that is so cool. Rotten eggs. There's rotten eggs in here, Wyatt. Look at that. That is so awesome. And there's one more in here. It's a cat. See, now I'm talking. There's one more in there. That is awesome. All right, Zena, do you want to open another one? We still have another whole box to do. You're being very noisy. This is the Quackula one. Zena, come get it. She's so bad. Okay. I love the rotten eggs. That is awesome. Awesome. Love it. Okay, where'd you put all the eggs, Wyatt? Okay. So we still have another one. We still have another one, Wyatt. Let me open this so you don't hurt yourself. Hang on. So this one is November, so this should have a Thanksgiving theme. Hold still. I don't want you to get hurt. We got to open it. There we go. All right, buddy. This one's November's. What do you think's in here, bud? Oh, look. It says Home for Thanksgiving. Bark box. Is that adorable? Oh, what do we got? Look what. I got it first. Why? I got it first. This is so cute. Out of your gourd. Oh, and he got the turkey. Look at the turkey. He got Turkey Tim. Look how cute the turkey is. Look at his little tail feathers. That is so cute. Turkey Tim. It's a squeaker and a crazy crinkle. It says, what Tim is it? Turkey Tim. I'm ripping it apart. It says, family's great and all, but your dog makes a beeline when their based friend shows up. That is adorable. I love Turkey Tim. So Wyatt ripped this one all apart. It's 3 parts. It's 3 parts. Cena does not care about the toys at all right now. Cena, hold please. This has got 2 squeakers, crazy crinkle. It's a multi-part toy, and it's all the parts in the cord. How awesome. How awesome is this? It all fits inside. I love it. Wyatt's taking it all. It's a Horn of Plenty toys, 2 squeaky squashes, plus a crinkly cornucopia, I can't talk, plus a crinkly cornucopia will make your pup extra thankful. Hide a treat in the horn to reward a very gourd dog. I love it. Look at that. Look at that. Steve's going back to the rotten eggs he seems to like best. I love Turkey Tim. That is adorable. All right, let's see what this says. I know. It says, we're feeling extra thankful for our dogs who comfort us and filled our lives during a long and difficult year, and thankful when it's finally come time to go home for Thanksgiving. So celebrate the season with food, family, and your dog by your side, right where they belong. All right, and you could have got turkey Tim, which we did, turkey bags instead of turkey legs, Nana's secret sauce, out of your gourd, which we got, double your dog joy, Nana's throw pillow, and the squeak of vision. How cute is that? All right, we got to talk to I know, Zena, I did not forget. So we have Bob biscuits, lamb and rice. So we'll give Zena one of those. She's really just in it for the treats. Really. Zena, no one can see you barking at me. Come here. Look how cute those are. They have little paw prints on them. Some see? No, that's not yours. It's Zena's. Zena. She has to sniff everything first. All right. And then what did you take out? Wyatt took this out. These are Pure Love, Live, Love, Treat chicken stick recipes made with real chicken. Those are good. They love those. And the last one is Clucky Jerky Sticks chicken recipe with sweet potato. And that is everything. Wow. Are we done? Are you happy? You too. We made a mess, didn't we? That's everything. What do you think, Z? Huh? Are you ready for a toy yet, or are you still going to try to get more treats out of me? What about Turkey Tim? Did you like Turkey Tim? See, I don't think Wyatt's going to let you have anything, to be honest. I know. That's a wrap. That's everything. That's all the toys. That's our bark boxes for October and November. I hope you enjoyed it. I will put all the information for Bark Box down below in case you'd like to try it for your furry friend. Thanks so much for spending time with us today. Thank you for everything and all the amazing support for my channel this past year. I am so thankful for every one of you. Until next time, please do hit that like before you go. We'd love you to hang out, hit that subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye, everybody.